Come today in front of me Nokia X20 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. As can you see, in my case Google Discover is activated, and now just to turn it off you should hold for a while your device screen and click here to the home settings. Now just here you'll see the switcher, show Google app. Just turn off the switcher, and when you will swipe to the right side with your finger, you can see that we just turned off the Google Fit on our Nokia X20. And if you want to just turn it off again, go back here to the home settings, click here on the switcher to activate the Google Discover, and now as can you see, we just turn it on successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.